First, wrap the ribbon around the box. Then form the loops, cross them, and pull tight for a perfect symmetrical bow.
First, wrap the ribbon around the box and form the left loop. Then create the right loop, crossing it over the center.